Currently, I had completed my Masters in Data Science course from TopMentor, and I would like to thank the entire team at TopMentor for guiding me to become a data analyst. Their support was invaluable, the instructors were fantastic, and the placement teams were a game changer for me. I sometimes felt that I should give up my data science career, but the Top Mentors team constantly encouraged me to continuous learning and apply for the opportunity. And the result is now that I got selected as a data analyst at Preferred Squad with a great package. And the best part is that I got desirable location as well. Now confident in my skills and excited about my career. And I'm very happy and again thankful of the Top Mentors team for giving me this opportunity to achieve my goal.